Hey guys, this is Kevin over at JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you would like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to the review now. So today we're going to be reviewing a Rolex Datejust 31. This is a reference number 178240. This is a very basic model of the Datejust 31. We're going to go over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. So for the dial configuration I currently have in my hand here, we have the index hour markers, which are fashioned in 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing. The index markers themselves and the markers on the hour hand and the minute hand are all luminescent, so they do glow in the dark for up to 8 hours for legibility in the night as well as during the day. And we have the pink dial with the index hour markers. Specifically for the dial configurations, as the Datejust is a dress watch, we have numerous configurations for the Datejust. You can get, if you're not interested in the pink dial, you can also receive this watch in a silver, white, black, or blue dial. And also, if you're not interested in the index hour markers, you can get it in the Roman numerals as well in the same colors. But of course, being that this is the base model of the Datejust, here at JazTime, we can actually do custom dials and custom bezels as well, where we have a nice row of 46 to 48 diamonds around the bezel and diamond hour markers instead, with your choice of dial color or mother of pearl. And we do that and that'll be in the description. This link to that will be in the description below if you want to check those out. But otherwise, this is the base model Datejust. So you have the very basic dial architecture or structure, which is the hour markers, Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position. Once again, that is 18 karat white gold. And at the 3 o'clock position, we have the date window with a cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification, easier viewing of that date. Moving on to the bezel now. The bezel is just a very simple dome bezel, nicely high polished to match with the lugs of the case, as the lugs of the case are nicely high polished as well, you can see. So that all matches all nicely together to bring a nice shine to the face of the watch overall. For the case size, we're looking at a 31mm case size, as stated by the name Datejust 31. So from my index finger to my thumb here, that's 31mm in diameter. Here's the side profile of the case. You can see it isn't too large. Will fit under suit cuffs, dress cuffs very nicely. On the other side of the case, nicely high polished as well. Rolex crown logo on the crown itself. As we move on to the crown now, the crown is just a simple screw down to unlock double waterproofing system that unwinds counterclockwise as shown. In the standard positions where you can wind the watch, about 15 to 20 winds is all you need to get these watch started once more. Tugging out the crown will allow you to adjust the date instantaneously by going counterclockwise. As you can see, changing the date is very simple. And then pulling the crown out to the final position will allow you to adjust the date however you like, and of course, or adjust the time however you like, and of course stops the second hand for precise time settings, such as to an atomic clock online. You can set the time down to the exact seconds. Pressing the crown back in will start that second hand once more. And of course, always screw the crown nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep the watch water resistant for the 100 meters or 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now, we have the beautiful Jubilee style bracelet. As you can see, it's a 5-piece link bracelet that has a nice high polish on the center of the three center links of the 5-piece links, also matching with the nice high polish on the lugs to give that nice contrast for the satin finished portions of the lugs to really shine a lot more overall. This bracelet style also comes in the oyster style bracelet, so it comes in both an oyster and Jubilee bracelet. The oyster style bracelet is more of a sportier style bracelet, but for now we're just going to move on with the Jubilee bracelet. It is made out of Rolex's in-house made 904 steel, which is an in-house made steel. That has a nice corrosion resistance and a nicer shine to the steel overall. As you can see, that Jubilee pattern really flows through the whole bracelet. You can see where the clasp is located by the Rolex crown logo. Simply pulling the crown off, like as so, will open up the clasp, and you're revealing this nicely high polished clasp blade with the Rolex name embossed onto the clasp blade itself. So that's how the watch looks opened up and then closed once again. See, it keeps that nice continuous pattern because the clasp itself is concealed. Nice curvature of the clasp blade, so you have overall nicer feel on the wrist when put on. As we move on to the movement now, the movement is just housed in a simple oyster case backing. It is Rolex's in-house made perpetual mechanical self-winding movement, 22-35 movement. It has a precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day, and it has a functions of the center, hour, minute, and seconds hand with instantaneous changing of the date, and the stopping of the seconds hand, as I've shown you with the crown functions. The power reserve of this watch is 48 hours, meaning you can put this watch on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon. It'll be keeping time just fine. Now let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist now. Something to keep in mind is I do have an average man size wrist, which is a 7-inch wrist. As you can see, still a little bit of room there. Okay, so this watch on my wrist, absolutely beautiful pink dial, index hour markers, make it easy and nice to make out the time very easily. A beautiful Jubilee bracelet, just patterning throughout. Lugs and bezel really doing work with a nice shine to it. So if you're interested in this watch or any other watch for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com, where the lowest price is guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page, where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.